shooting as the X Pro and the X100 series. So, kasi ako kasi yung photographer na I'm using the viewfinder a lot, the LCD. So, shooting with the surround view, you can see your subject going in and out of your frame. So, yun ang gusto ko talaga. So, sobrang na-enjoy ko yung shooting with this XD5 camera. Yun. It's one.
Ang galing nga ng surround view po. Yes. Alright. So next,
try na yan.
so can you share a memorable shoot or moment where the XE5 really impressed you in terms of usability and results po?
Okay. Ang XE5 kasi normally they compare it to X100. No? The X100 series kasi sobrang compact. Kaso, this time with the E5, interchangeable siya. So meron akong kuha, meron